In today's video, we are going to show you how to restore bookmarks in Mozilla Firefox. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do on your keyboard, I want you to press Ctrl plus Shift plus O. If you're using Mac, that's going to be Command plus Shift plus O, and this will open the bookmarks library where Firefox stores and manages all your bookmarks. Okay, so at the top of the screen, there is a section that says Import and Backup. And of course, there's going to be a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Restore. Now, you will see a list of dated backups, which is right now, it's Wednesday, January 14th, 2026. Now, Firefox automatically creates these. So pick the backup from a date before your bookmarks were lost. So if you click on it, this will replace all your current bookmarks with the backup. And if you are sure, okay, click the OK because restoring bookmarks will replace your current bookmarks with the backup version. It's super simple. Now, let me tell you before restoring, okay, it's always a good idea to create a backup right here. Just go back to the import section again, choose a backup or export bookmarks to HTML. Matter of fact, we have a separate video that you might want to check on how to export your bookmarks here in Firefox. So that way, nothing is lost. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to restore Mozilla Firefox bookmarks. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.